Mahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
You're a law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. Now you're hiding this scoundrel, this fugitive.
Kaufman is saying, do you think he is undermining yung essence ng ICC trial?
So parang pinapalabas niya, something like, I think he said, oh, it's only 3%. Pero kung ikaw yung namatayan, Kaufman, hindi mo na iisipin na it's only 3%. Yun ang sabi ni Densable. Di ba, Sir Densable? Hello daw o BFF mo. So,
Oo.
yun ang sabi no, Kaufman, nagmamaang-maangan lang yan. ICC accredited lawyer, he should know that this is normal ICC practice. They select, kasi di ba, crimes against humanity this is one of their regular cases, and this is a normal ICC practice. They will select a representative sample of incidents. Kasi nasa manual nga ng ICC yan, if you go into the manual, they can even just use one single case. If one single case can prove that this is a systematic attack on civilians, they select a representative sample that are well documented and legally strong. Kaya, yung current na charges, they will cover specific sets of murders in Davao, yung tinatawag nilang high-value targets, barangay operations. So this is just a fraction of the estimated thousands of people that were killed. Pinili nila talaga yung very strong ang documentation para maipakita yung systematic na killing. So, ibig sabihin, it doesn't mean that there wasn't more, pero si Kaufman, gusto niyang ipakita sa mga tao, ay yun lang pala.
So with that statement, Ma'am Carclea, do you think this is a smarter strategy from the prosecution and the EJK victims with this kind of setup? Tama. Correct.
So, it's usually a smarter strategy kasi prosecutors, they will pick cases with the best evidence. Dapat pinapakita yung clear chain of command, clear ang witnesses, yung documents, patterns, so they can prove yung overall policy kahit hindi mo ililitigate yung every single death. So, if they win on those, then the judgment will still recognize yung wider campaign and the victims, even if not every victim is named in the charges. So, it's still a smarter strategy. Diba?
Kumbaga sa sampling, kailangan lang may representation to prove a point.
Correct.
Doon ka magsisimula ng investigation. Also, kita din natin sa trial nitong procedure na to na merong mga napangalanan na isasali or kasali sa investigation ng ICC yung mga tinatawag na co-conspirator. Na ang paliwanag nga ni Attorney Conti dito that they are the people na from what was the president, Davao City Mayor then, was saying or doing about drug war. My question to you is, how is it important that these specific people na sinasabing most responsible individual that carry out the plan, the action of then President Duterte dito sa ICC proceedings?
Kasi yung ICC, it's supposed to be the court of last resort, hindi ba?